Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. Ways to transfer crypto from Exodus to bank account. To withdraw or transfer crypto from Exodus to bank account, you have to follow these simple steps. So to this procedure, you have to go ahead and open up the buy and e-sell. Now, once the Exodus desktop wallet is accessible, you need to locate the Fiat on ramp. So this is a third-party application. So you have to go ahead and you have to go ahead and install it. And once you've done installing it, you want to go ahead and click on sell crypto. Once you click on sell crypto, now the default setting is on the buy crypto functionality. To move funds to the owner's bank account, tap the sell crypto icon beside the buy crypto button to switch. After which you need to go ahead and in the next step is to select the crypto asset to withdraw. So select ETH and exchange it for the British pound GBP, and the default asset is Bitcoin, so it has to be changed first of all. To change the asset name from Bitcoin to ETH, you need to tap on the asset name and the drop down menu and then select ETH from the list of options. Next, you want to go ahead and insert the amount to withdraw to open up the next steps. After which, you want to go ahead and enter the amount of cryptocurrency to be sold. Now, the equivalent value of the fiat currency will be displayed. So by default, this is denominated in USD. To change this, you need to tap the fiat currency drop down menu and select a new one from the list of options. Once this is done, the amount will reflect the new fiat currency inserted. Now click the continue button at the base of the screen to proceed as well. After which, you want to go ahead and enter the email address and insert the code as well. So the platform will require basic details. This often continued a full legal name, date of birth, and a nationality as well. Now tap the continue button to proceed to the billing address page. Next, enter a billing address including city, country, and all that. After that, you want to go ahead and add the bank account details. So for that, you could go with the MoonPay support, withdrawals to bank account, and debit card as well. Now for this, you need to add a bank account. So tap the add a withdrawal method and supply the full account details. Once bank details are supplied, a summary of a sell order will be shown on the screen. You need to check the terms and conditions as well. After which, you want to go with the send asset option. So here you want to go ahead and click the sell now button. A new page will be displayed promoting the user to send their crypto using Exodus. Just follow the prompt and this way you'll have successfully transfer crypto from Exodus to bank account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.